Today is drift prep day 2. Now let's go install a battery tie down in my Lexus IS300. I got a very basic universal one. Comes with 2 J brackets, or 2 J studs, and across the top mount, and then wing nuts and spacers. So in order to do so, because it's so crammed back here where the battery is, I'm going to be taking the battery out. Real quick, you don't need to take the battery out in order to install these. In fact, I found it easier to leave it in, but in case if you need to take the battery out, this is how to do it. And remember, when dealing with batteries, always wear safety glasses, and make sure you take the negative terminal off first, tuck it away, and then do the positive. It's usually a 10 millimeter to take this off. And now just take the battery out.
We're doing the battery tie down, we ran into a little problem.
One of them is way too long, so I'm gonna be cutting them. We're gonna try and fit it back up.
We'll take videos of the installation process, but
well, it didn't fit. And what do we do when it doesn't fit? We make it fit. So I cut them off a little bit, so now they should sit and be lower than the hood. I don't have to worry about it running into the hood. Turns out it's actually easier to leave the battery in. So now let's throw in my freshly cut studs, and hopefully the hood will close now. Now what you're looking for is on either side of the battery, there's a little hole. It's either on the bottom or it's on the side walls, and that's where the bottom part of the hooks will hook into. So I have one that's on this side, that's down a little bit, and one on the back by the firewall, and that's what these two are hooking into. And then the cross brace is what you're tightening on top of the battery, and then a couple of washers so you can make sure it's super tight. And now let's get back into the install. Let's give her a little test shake, make sure it's all tight and not much moves. It's pretty well in there. Let's see if the hood closes now. Success. Hood closes.
so here's what we got. Be a little hard to see down in there, but maybe I can brighten it up a little later. And then it does poke in right there, but it doesn't hit the metal. It just gets caught on the hood liner, so it looks good.
Almost forgot to connect the battery terminals again. And that right there is how you install a battery tie down in a Lexus IS300. If you found this video helpful at all, please leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you want to help follow me on my journey, please consider subscribing. Until then, I'll see you next time.